Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best wireless backup cameras in 2018. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the rear view safety backup camera system. The RVS 770613 offers you the complete package as one of the most go-to camera kits on the market. Cars are getting quite expensive, so there should not be a reason to compromise on a decent camera kit that may cost top dollar. The IP69K rated, color CCD backup camera is completely waterproof, gives a thorough 130-degree viewing angle. Its 18 infrared lights view up to 50 feet in extremely dark conditions. The results are displayed on a 7-inch digital TFT LCD color monitor that supports universal mount. The systems come with a 66-inch cable with aircraft-grade connections. Installation may be difficult, and the kit may not be wireless, but there's no doubt the RVS 770613 is highly recommended. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Yada digital wireless backup camera. Although you may refrain from spending extra on the wireless features of this camera, many rear view camera kits wirings have been reported to be faulted and caused wiring problems in the other compartments as well, so the Yada BT53328M1 is a safer bet. Not only is it wireless, but it can transmit up to 50 feet at 2.4 GHz. Depth perception is easily resolved with the aid of night vision and a distance line grid. The IP67 camera, which is easily mountable on license plates, provides not only is it wireless, but it can transmit up to 50 feet at 2.4 GHz. Depth perception is easily resolved with the aid of night vision and a distance line grid. The IP67 camera, which is easily mountable on license plates, provides 110-degree wide-angle surveillance to a 4.3-inch display. It may not be cheap, but it's a quality product recommended to every buyer. At number 3, we have the updated digital wireless backup camera. This could be the best wireless camera if you want a 100% no interference wireless option. The wireless signals can remain clear and smooth even when the car is moving at speeds of around 75 miles. The cameras are advanced that come with infrared lights and the great CMOS sensors. This camera from Raptor also has many other interesting features. At number 2, we have the Accfly wireless backup camera kit. According to many customers' reviews, this could be counted as one of the best wireless backup cameras because of its various features. The Accfly wireless backup camera could help a lot in making parking of cars efficient and safe even the parking space is stingy. You will not be wasting time on parking and will not damage either your car or the cars already parked. It has a wireless design and is easy to install, and you can breathe free because of the absence of any complex wiring and other such problems. And finally, at number 1, we have the ZSMJ Wireless Backup Camera Rear View Camera System. ZSMJ has a good track record when it comes to wireless cameras, and therefore this model is bound to create quite a bit of interest. It comes with a complete kit and suitable for cars, SUVs and other types of vehicles. It has the best of night vision and waterproof protection. This rear view camera offers 135-degree viewing angle and also has 7 LED lights. The camera has a range of 82 feet to 100 feet in an open area, which gets reduced to 30 to 45 feet while it is mounted on a vehicle. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this wireless backup cameras, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.